guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, but it's going to cover a maintenance thing that you may not often think about, and that's changing the cabin air filter. If you go off-roading a lot, or you're even starting to notice a nasty smell in the cabin, that's a cue to check your cabin air filter. I usually try to check it each time after going off-road just because I know there's a lot of dust and sand that gets kicked up, especially if you have your windows down. And then I try to check it with every oil change because I don't want this thing stinking. I carry many different brands of cabin air filters at buckleUpoffroad.com. I have K&N, I have the good old OEM Ford Motorcraft, and then I have the Buckle Up Off-Road one. And I'm just going to show you the difference between these. This is the Ford OEM, so if you've never changed your cabin air filter, this is what you're going to have in your Bronco. Or you can go with the Buckle Up Off-Road one. It's very similar, except it does have a charcoal filter to help eliminate those nasty smells. But enough jabbering about cabin air filters. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this maintenance work. I just did my oil change, which is my cue to check the cabin air filter. I do have oil change kits on the website, as well as some UPR drain plugs, which have been a fan favorite here lately. But all you need to do is to go into your glove box to access where the cabin air filter is located. Open up your glove box and locate this arm right here. Lift the glove box up just a little bit to remove tension. Grab this little arm and push up. Then what you will do, you will find these two tabs, push in, and this will extend all the way down. This compartment right here is where the cabin air filter is held. Squeeze these two clips to remove the door. Then pull out your cabin air filter. All right, now's the moment of truth to see how dirty it is. Oh, it's pretty dirty. Not as dirty as I was anticipating because I did do a little bit of off-roading over the weekend, but there are weird things in here that you wouldn't expect, like leaves and lots of fuzzies. I don't know, I think that's kind of strange. And just to show you that it is dirty, this is what it's supposed to look like. So this looks grayish brown and this is white. This is why it's important to change your cabin air filter. You don't want to be breathing this stuff in. This filter collects all that nastiness, and then you could just throw it away and start brand new. But today, I am not going to replace this OEM filter with another OEM filter. I am going to use the Buckle Up Off-Road filter this time because I want to use the charcoal beads to help deodorize the cabin. And just a little tip for you, it does have a little blue ribbon. That's there to help you take it out whenever you need to change it again. So make sure that blue ribbon is facing you while you're putting it in. That was easy. Well, that's done. That's one of the easiest maintenance things you can do to this thing. Be sure to check out buckleupoffroad.com for all of your Bronco maintenance needs, as well as all of the mods you would ever want you can find there. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, guys, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, Buttercup!